And no, I'm just playing. What's up, fam bams? Back in the garage so we can actually work on the track bike right now. Done a couple of things, been trying to search and figure out what's going on and stuff. So in the midst of everything, I end up buying another freaking wire harness for this thing to test out. And yeah, so I got a brand new wire harness. I bought what else? That's the other lights. Let's see. I got the turn switch. Turn off, shut off switch and start switch. I bought this one because I wasn't sure if this one worked, so we're gonna go ahead and probably swap that out real quick. Where is the Phillips screwdriver, baby? I don't know. I think this one will work. Hopefully this works, bro. Because literally everything on the bike works. It turns on and stuff. Let me see if I can show y'all. But yeah, let me see. You can hear the fuel pump and everything, prime and everything, and literally just no button. Doesn't matter if I press a clutch and nothing. So still not a worko. So get the last bolt out. Get the last bolt out, and then get the new one in, baby. I don't know why I say that. Alright, loops undone. Now I'm trying to break this zip tie real quick and get that off. Oh yeah. So we got the O one off. Not sure what's wrong with it. I don't know. It looks fairly clean, no rust or anything. I don't know. But it doesn't work, so into the bin. So let's plug up this one and see what we got. Let's see. There we go. Oh yeah. Alright, there's no coolant in here, so just letting you know, this thing runs and sounds amazing. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Alright, so now I gotta run this wire all over again and then mount this one up. Much stuff later. This is still just mounted here. This is still just mounted here. I told you I got more stuff, so got some headlights for it. You know what I'm saying? Got some headlights. These are tinted headlights, by the way, so you can kind of see it a little bit. Let me see if this will make sense. Let's see. There you go. You can kind of see how that's a little bit more tinted compared to how clear this one is. Or let me see. clear, tinted, clear, tinted, clear, tinted. No. Alright. And here's the other one. Right here. So these two I'm not going to use because they're like jingly and wiggly and all that other good eggities. So, and they're missing like the brackets and the other light piece. So I was like, I'll just get one that's fully together. Plus, like I said, this is making a lot of noise. So we'll go ahead and put that one in the tub. Let's grab the other one. Anything on this one? We need these clips right here off of this one. So that way we can have these clips for, one of these need a clip on it. I'm not sure which one it might just be this one right here that needs a clip on it. But I'll check it out.
Yeah, y'all don't want it, boy. It's been taking a minute for me to drop some of this stuff, but you know what? I caught y'all. I know I be in this bitch, check the time, ho. I know we be having clips like a crime show. I know we be in the store getting cargo. I know, tell me anything that gon' rhyme though. I know why you smoking dope, I'm on grind mode. I know. Don't you come around here with them stacks low. If you need a script, then tell a homie what you looking for. Fishy ass niggas getting checked before they fucking show. Oh no, you ain't about to sneak me, ho. Pull up at your people front door like why you sleeping on me. Tie the bodies up, then part them out like Jeepers Creepers on me. Married to the money, my